How to test and check fingerprint recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here scroll down and click on diagnostics. So after click on diagnostic, click on phone diagnostics. So if you want to test and check fingerprint recognition, so you will see fingerprint recognition is here, so click on fingerprint recognition and you will see after test you will see showing you normal. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can test and check fingerprint recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.